Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to Funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.
Hello guys. Hello everyone. I feel like long time no see. How are you people? How's your day so far? Because I'm so exhausted. It's long time, right? I was busy Saturday, Sunday, Monday without break at all. It's dumb, guys. It's just crazy. I feel like I lost like 10 pounds. I feel like this. I probably didn't, but I feel like this. So nothing to show you yet. 1 second. So nothing to show you yet. That's all I have. It's empty. So I put this wall yesterday and that's it. That's all I have for now. I didn't break my nails. I broke 5 nails. 5. I was about to divorce with my husband because it was his fault. I broke 5 nails. I had to go to Target to buy nail glue. Damn, that's wild. Because I have appointment for new nails and it's going to be in 3 weeks. In 3 weeks. And I was like, damn. Yeah, we didn't finish office yet. It's going to be like nice for sound later. No. Yeah, I broke 5 nails. Yeah. Yeah, yesterday I went to Target to buy nail glue because I didn't have any other option. I called to my nail master, but she lives like 2 hours away from here. And she said like, go and buy nail glue and wait for your new appointment. So yeah. Also I cried because of this. Yeah, not yesterday, but when it was? Saturday? Mic still the same. Nothing was broken, but only my nails. That's it. Guys, we need to do tab analysis because once again, we set up my computer yesterday night. It was like 11 or 10 p.m. So I have 0 levels on my chart now. So guys, to support me, don't forget to click the like button, share this stream. As always, you know what to do. Go on funded.now/giveaway, participate in giveaways. That's it. On NinjaTrader, we talk about my long on ES. We talk about my long on by the end of my stream. So my TP hit. So I made like $500 on my Lucid and A8 futures accounts. Remember trade that I took on Friday? Not short. Long. My house clean? Funny joke. Everything is clean right now is nothing. I will take a picture for you, just to show you. Oh, damn. I took a picture of my finger. This is what behind me. Oh, damn. Mess. Absolute mess. It's impossible to go to garage, guys, because like there's no access there. It's just impossible to go. It's impossible to go to a living room because lots of mice there as well. So I have depression when I think and see this. Yeah, let's talk about something else. Ow. Something hurt. Design, I don't know, guys. I bought this kind of lamps. Here, this one. So I think I'm going to put them behind me. I don't know, seriously. We'll buy like fake plants somewhere here because I was trying to buy like a real one and it just dies immediately. Yeah, guys, let's do top-down analysis. I have 0 levels on my chart. Yeah, guys, let's talk about trading. So I'm gonna highlight previous weekly low, previous weekly high for now. It's about to hit 30K. I believe it didn't, right? What time is this? Okay, it's 9:08. Okay, it's taken. So I always put taken so to understand like we already took this level, but we can get retest. So it's not super important, but it's important, right? Oops, not this one. I don't need this one. Previous weekly high level. Oh, damn. I will fix this now. Say you're tired without saying you're tired. Dasha, the other day I have been asking you about managing multiple funded accounts. You didn't receive any emails. Did you check spam folder? Chris, don't ask me difficult questions. On Tuesday after like I was packing and unpacking like 3 days in a row. Don't ask me difficult questions. I don't have answers. You checked everything? Let me see what I can do. 1 second, I will try to help you somehow. I'm going to send this PDF to my email and I will send you like Google folder. Google Drive folder. Step by step. Okay, let's try. I'm going to send this to my email. Like everything possible. And I will send you a link here if I will be able to get access. Damn, so many emails. What time is this now? Spam. You're right. Like you're right. I don't see this either. Where to find this PDF? I don't remember. 1 second, I will try to figure out for you. Spam. It's not this one. All mail. What time is this? It's 9:10. Yeah, you're right. I don't have this either. Google Drive. I will find this for you. That's strange. Oh, yeah, I got it. 1 second. I have it. Make a copy. I have it, guys. We got it. It's from Prop Firm Guide. How to find my folder. Trading folder. Okay, got it here. Insert. I said insert. So this is how you need to manage your accounts. New add folder, no, file upload, yep. Here's a link. Can you please open and see if it works? It should be like 6 pages or so. It should have more, but it's not completed. But first part is done. I just cannot find second part. How to find this? I will find second part for you guys. Is it completed? Oh, yeah, I got it. Can you please... No, not this one. I got, guys, full file. Delete this link. Never mind this link. I found full file. How to save this as PDF? Download as PDF. Got it. Okay, perfect. So don't open that link. It's not full. I mean, you can, but it's not full. What about this one? Rename. Prop firm guide. Got it. Let me open to see. So yes, 16 pages here. It's full one. Yeah. So here's full PDF. This PDF about how to manage accounts, how to pass accounts. It's a bit old information there, so I need to update this, but this one will be helpful. Can you please open and tell me if it works or not? Yes, no? Can you open this file? Yeah, that's it. You can download this. Once again, it's a bit old information, but still like useful one. Okay, you can download and read. Only 16 pages, not a lot. Okay, got it. Sorry guys, was trying to upload this. So let's continue. We have new week opening gap here, pretty huge by the way. So what we're going to do, we're going to collect 50% of this new week opening gap because we got open and minor pullback which offered manipulation, so price probably will retrace back to 50% of new week opening gap. So what you want to do on weekly chart, from close of this candle to open of this candle, you want to highlight 50%, and 50% will be 50% of new week opening gap. You can actually new week opening gap is what you want to do, okay? Right, and this one is top. Exactly same thing you want to do with NQ chart. Seems like NQ and yes are in sync, so we can trade both, like either yes or NQ. That's it. What we want to highlight on weekly chart, nothing more. Only previous weekly high level and 50% of new week opening gaps. That's all we need on weekly chart. Looking on daily chart, same gap, nothing changed. We have small fair value gap. I don't think it's important, but we're going to highlight, since we have small wick here, we're going to highlight OB with entire candle, not just body. This is what you want to have on your chart. Once again, I always say you want to have only levels that you're going to use for your trading. Don't put millions levels on your chart. You don't need them. Only that levels that are going to help you to execute for your trading. Put your stop loss, your TP, your entry, and so on. Don't put millions levels on your chart, okay? Yes, 29,600 is a key level. Exactly, it's 50% of a new week opening gap. You should receive email. Check again. I sent emails yesterday night. All emails sent. Everything sent. It was select, right? Do I remember correctly? Select Tradify. Everything was sent. So here's daily fair value gap, and if you pay attention, we have flat candle here, so this fair value gap like even stronger here. Daily fair value gap. No, let's do like this. U means untapped. This means we never ever traded into this fair value gap. Oh, exactly. I forgot. It's dumb. It's TradingView Grand Cup. I need to participate. Anyway, let's see. I completely forgot about TradingView Grand Cup. Need to take some trades there. At 6 p.m. Oh, phew. Okay, because I was like, damn. I need to execute, but... yeah, you receive email, because I sent email around like 9 p.m., right? I think so. So, on NinjaTrader Arena competition, second round, qualifier 2 will start at 9:30 a.m. That's why it's halted. It will open in 12 minutes only. Grand Cup. Oh, guys. So, guys, we highlighted daily fair value gap and daily OB only. Yes, we don't have this daily OB on in Q, so we don't need this one. That's it. What else we need on daily chart? Nothing. So, it's my time frame alignment chart. I'm going to put this here. I don't need this now. What else? Look, it looks horrible. Seriously. So I wouldn't mind to get SMT at highs, and I would like to try to short to test previous weekly high level on ES and new week opening gap, 50% of new week opening gap. So let's see if we're going to get SMT at highs. Probably will short today. What looks horrible for our chart? Look at these weeks. So my initial plan seems like we got equal highs here to get SMT at highs. Would like to see 30K on NQ. Why are you like, you think it's me? It's like lots of scam in Discord. I don't know how to control this. It's not me. I never send any like messages. I only send messages in Discord group, nothing else. I never send private messages. I never send friend requests. Nothing. It's not me. It's fake accounts that's trying to act like me, but once again, it's not me. Don't believe these people. Please. All-time high. You've been away? Oh, you miss nothing, but I am so happy to see you here again. So let's see, guys, if we're going to get a move towards 30K on NQ to get SMT at highs and try to short this. That's my plan right now. I know maybe something will change. But I wouldn't mind to get SMT to short this. First TP on ES will probably yes, guys, today. Depends how good setup will be on NQ, but probably yes. Ow. TP number 1 will be previous weekly high test, RTH test. Final TP will be 50% of new week opening gap. That's my plan right now. And I kind of like this one. Is it flat candle? Oh, look at this. Perfect for our candle. It's daily open. Flat candle. We don't have manipulation. Good. First TP on NQ will be previous weekly high level. Final TP will be daily open. I like it. You know, like, yes, we do have SMT at highs, but it's pre-market. Shorting all-time high is dangerous. I will keep saying this. One day it will drop hard. It cannot go up forever without pullbacks. I am going to keep saying this every single day, but everything that goes up must go down first. Do you see something that went down? Nope. Oh, thank you so much. Maybe after June, we will see. We will see. We will try to figure out. Guys, my plan on gold remains the same. It left equal highs. Absolutely not fan of this. So what I would like to get... I know, maybe I'm wrong, but... Let's see if it's going to sweep these lows. We'll offer our model. We will try to long this to equal highs. And from equal highs, let's see if you're going to get reaction. We will win big, exactly. It's not support that I would like to see from you, you know? So it's consolidation, but we went back to discount. So let's see if we're going to see this consolidation low to try to long. Probably. I think so. Euro futures, everything remains the same, 6E. So what I would like to get probably 30K on NQ first to get SMT at highs. 30K seems absolutely logical level, and I will try to short this. Not now. Don't forget to click the like button, guys. Share the stream. We should kill this today. I woke up with feeling we're going to kill this today. Like, no way we're not going to get perfect trade. Seven minutes left. How to find the bias? I would say only screen time, because most of the time I just feel like we need to go up or down. So that's why I always say it's really hard to record video about the bias, because it's really hard to explain this. Because sometimes it looks like super bearish on 15-minute chart, but on daily chart, damn, it's super bullish. You just need to align this somehow. So I don't like to talk about bias, how to figure out the bias, because it's really hard. Yeah, of course. Every single move that you can see on high time frame is lower time frame market maker model. Always. Yeah, power of 3 probably, yes. It's bad quality on camera. Let's see. It's not bad. Is it bad? It's empty room. I feel like quality is okay. Where's my camera? Oh, I'm back. On gold, probably this one. Play guitar. Man, I have no idea how to hold this. Oh, I got it. Let me see, versus BX70. You want to tell me it's going to be 50 points gap on SPX? Oh my god. Let's see, guys, if you're going to short a 25% of RTH gap on SPX as well. Sounds like perfect plan. But we need to get SMT at highs. Yeah, this one is like dark one. I really like this because lots of streamers use like light version of these panels. I don't like this. I like dark one. It's like walnut color, I believe, if not mistaken. It's really nice one. Yeah, I see SPX at 75.26 and it's like 50 points away from where we closed. Which means we're going to have huge RTH gap. It may actually pump right at the open, which will leave this gap open, then we will retrace back to 25% of RTH gap, which will line up with the test of previous weekly high level on ES. Probably 50% of new. It's like, sounds like an amazing plan. Where's red phone? That's a great question. I have no idea. Everyone wants to sell. Yes, I have video about new week opening gap. 1 second, I will send you link. Of course, I answered every single question. So here's the video, but also let me send you PDF. Oops. I don't need to turn this on, just link. So here's the link about RTH gap. It's last part of OT retracement because it's really important, guys. Watch OT video. And How to set up giveaway? I don't know. Well, and here's a link for PDFs. 1 second, we'll find link for PDFs. All my lessons. It costs, guys, super expensive, $0, 0 cents. So, yeah. $0, 0 cents. So I would like to look for shorts today on indices, but I wouldn't mind to get SMT at highs. So look at this perfect equal highs on an for chart. We need to go there, I guess, first. We tested New York midnight open. We took Asia high. We took Asia low. London low left, which lands up is... Guys, I will short today, but after equal highs taken, it was 5 points away from 30K. Are you kidding me? What a scam. Of course I did. You want to see lower than higher? Depends. For manipulation to downside, maybe the test of previous... 1 second. Maybe the test of New York midnight open, higher, lower. Maybe. I don't want to short right at the open. You're going to trade NinjaTrader Arena competition today? Good luck. I hope you're going to kill this. Pasha, you're in second round or third round? I forgot. Oh, good luck. Yes, I owe... Let me show you. Institutional order flow entry drill. So you see this abbreviation a lot probably in ICT content. So when we have... I'm going to show you an example here. Where's fair value gap? Damn. When we have fair value gap, I'm going to show you right now what this means. Market just opened, right? Okay, nice. What these terms means? Institutional order flow entry drill. When we have this kind of fair value gap, and as it's bullish fair value gap, exactly the same thing works with bearish fair value gap. As long as price staying above 50% of this fair value gap, let's see, we traded to this fair value gap, but we stayed above 50% of this fair value gap. So this is what we call institutional order flow entry drill. So we traded back to this fair value gap, but we stayed above 50%. Exactly the same works with bearish fair value gap. This is what we call institutional order flow entry drill. It can be 25% of RTH gap, 5% of, not RTH gap, of this fair value gap, 5% of fair value gap, 25, 49% of this fair value gap, but not 50. Okay, make sense? Does this part make sense? Did I answer your question? So everything above 50% of bullish fair value gap is institutional order flow entry drill. Everything below 50% of bearish fair value gap is institutional order flow entry drill. Okay, got it. Hope it's clear. Okay. We got some manipulation here on NQ. It's new office. I already completely moved, guys. So we may get a test of, let's switch on 3-minute chart. I don't want to trade right at the open. I hope. Yes, Chris, it's huge one. I don't like huge RTH gaps. It's wild gaps. Count. I mean, technically we can get short at up soon, but I hate to short right at the open or trade right at the open. It's always like, tricky, if I can say so. Oops. Still in progress, yes. Look at SPX, guys. We got 50 points. It's a count. Yeah, guys, no rush. Come on. We just started. So what I would like to get when we have huge RTH gap, I would like to get retest of 25% of this gap on SPX. And SPX help us a lot when we're trying to trade ES, because, and even with options, SPX like perfect with RTH gaps, with OT levels. Guys, if you want to learn more about SPX gaps and OT of these gaps, go on my YouTube, find video about OT retracement. I covered everything. No one talks about this. So it's like unique information, but if you trade options, guys, it will help you a lot. Just trust me. So did I take liquidity level? So when we talk about SPX, we want to execute on we want to look for setup on SPX to execute on yes on 2, 3, and 5 minute charts only, okay? So we don't want to go higher than 5 minute chart. We don't need this one. We're going to stay on 2, 3, and 5 minute charts only. Once again, 2 minute chart works even better than 3 minute chart, in my opinion. But sometimes 3 minute chart helps as well. So we got minor SMT at highs. That's pretty much exactly what I was talking about. I don't like that it's minor SMT, so we didn't see any important buy side liquidity level on NQ. Definitely feels like it left room to go higher. So what ideally I would like to get in my perfect world, I mean, we already have SMT at highs, maybe that's enough, but in my perfect world, I would pump higher on NQ to sweep this equal highs at 30K. At the same time, I don't want to see ES takes out all-time high. I want to get SMT. I want to get sweep of this high again on SPX. We will get 5 minute OB, and we will short ES with confirmation on SPX as well, 5 minute OB. TP on SPX, or our partial level on ES, will be 25% of this gap. Once again, SPX chart, it's free. Go on SPX, find SPCFD. So this is where we will take partial. And final TP on ES will be 50% of new week opening gap. Damn, it's just dropping right at the open. I mean, it's technically possible. We got SMT. It's just not fun of this. Because in order to confirm this SMT, we need to get shift in structure. So technically, we had to short here, which is extremely dangerous, in my opinion. So I would never ever short it. But here's the confirmation of this SMT. I call this reversal candle. I have no idea why it's reversal candle. I mean, how to explain why it's reversal candle, but it's reversal candle. And we want to short after we got the closure. We got sweep and closure. We want to short at the open of next candle with stop loss here. And TP could be the test of previous weekly high level. But once again, I question this setup because it's right at the open. Wait for new week opening gap on a yes. You want to long from 50% of new week opening gap? It's technically possible. So far, our plan was to short. I don't want to short this one. Did it connect my account? Not yet. Connecting. I mean, if it wasn't right at the open, I would short this. I just don't like to short right at 9:30 a.m. And Q, you could pump here first, for example. So we could short here. That's my ideal plan, guys. This one is not ideal. I call this like B minus setup simply because it's right at the open. I would never ever trade this. But if it could pump now and sell later, it could be perfect day. So I'm going to delete this because I'm not in this trade. I don't like this trade. Yeah, we just took London low on ES, but look at NQ. We're trading way below New York midnight open on ES, but it failed to take New York midnight open on NQ. Guys, how do you like the picture? Not me, like overall picture. It looks better than it was before. It's super hot here. We don't have fan. It's damn so hot. Looks better. We installed this wall yesterday. It smells like it's dark because I don't have lights, guys. I have only one big lamp here and that's it. I ordered another one. It will be delivered in 2 days, I believe. Please, can you pump for us? Just asking for a friend. Just like here. Guys, don't forget to click the like button, share this team. As always, go to funded.now/giveaway, participate in giveaway for Lucid Flex accounts. Oh, please pump more. Where's my lipstick? Because it's so bad here. Ooh. And it's slippery here as well. Need to buy maybe small rock or something like this. Good morning, Frank. How are you? Pump it, pump it. Yeah, it's too early to talk about trades. Market just opened. I would try to wait. It will be funny? It's not gonna be funny. I want to order small rug because when I was ordering my new desk mat yesterday, I saw some rugs for office. New setup, it's not true. I mean, it's just wall. That's it. Nothing else. I'm going to buy fake plants. I have no idea where to buy this. Maybe in IKEA, maybe. We will see. Hurt yourself. That's crazy, right? Yeah, yes, took London law. It's just too early to take any trades. I don't like that. Yes, took London law, but in Q failed to take New York midnight open. Don't want to trade right at the open. That's my ideal plan. Let's see if I'm right. On SPX, I would like... yes, SPX. Come on, Dasha. I would like to sweep with these highs as well. 75-20, 75-30 is a key area. Psychological area, if I can say so. Where I'm from? I'm from Belarus, guys, but I live in Florida. Florida. Let's switch on 5-minute chart to see what is going on there. I speak Russian. I speak only Russian and English. I'm not from USSR because I'm not that old. But my husband does. Please go higher first. Do you like was? Yes. It's good. But not every day. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Please. My son is here, another one in daycare because my son is sick. Do you like onions? You know the answer. Why are you asking? Please go to equal highs first so we can short these. Look at this 30-minute candle. Long time no one asking. I use YM. So YM just last couple of weeks it lives her own life. Like completely opposite to what I want to see on YM. I trade YM. And I trade YM a lot. Just stop doing this for some time. Super not in sync. Look at this. We retraced to 50% of new week opening gap on YM, but we still way above this level on yes and NQ. So it's YM not really helpful at this point. LA. Best tacos. Yeah, Alan, I will go. With no, thank you so much. Hello, Barbara, how are you? 2.5? No, I would like to see SMT at this equal highs. Not here, at equal highs, preferably. Let's see if we yes can trade above New York midnight open. I don't mind to get sell. If you go on YM once again, you will see how we perfectly tested 50% of new week opening gap while we're way above this level on yes and NQ. So technically we have room to go lower. Let's see if it's going to pump to this 30K. We have equal highs at 29,995, which is absolutely stupid how it failed to take 30K. And after 30K, I would like to get an attempt to drop, even if it's not going to be like big short that I would like to get. It's fine. I will take my 50 points or 100 points on NQ and like 20 points on yes. It's not a problem. But for now, I don't see like a lot. By 5 points. 30K to the, yes, I really would like to get, maybe even more. Yes, trying to break above New York midnight open. Next up, I don't know, if I want to short, I don't want to see yes takes out all-time high. Because if it's going to take all-time high, probably I will not take any shorts today. Yeah, YM took new week opening gap, yes, and NQ failed. Let's switch on YM real quick. Nice. Nice reaction from daily open. Just sweep so far. NQ needs to pump 50 more points. So bad. So once again, talking about reversal candle. So it's like reversal candle here as well on 15-minute chart. This one is your reversal. I will try to figure out how to name this properly because I have no idea how to explain this. Technically, like long should be from here, but I will try to explain in a different way because I don't know how to explain this right now. Yeah, like slightly above 30K is perfectly fine. Don't place any limit orders now, guys. It doesn't make any sense. I'm going to delete this error if you don't mind. Oh, that's huge SMT. Okay. To the moon today. It's like criminal how it failed to take New York midnight open. I don't like it. So, logically, everyone looking at 30K right now as possible level for shorts. Since everyone wants to short, this means what? Probably it will offer minor pullback right from 30k and will continue going higher. Market super manipulated, but if it was Bitcoin, and what I want to say, if it was Bitcoin, what always happens? If once we hit like 80k, 70k, 100k, 110k, like whatever, these rounded numbers, price usually drops a lot or pumps a lot, depends. But on NQ, it's super manipulated, so I wouldn't say like we're going to get strong sell off from 30k because everyone wants to short from there. That's why, guys, no rush. Let's see. We're waiting for our model to present itself. That's it. Talking about model here, like 3-minute OB, it's just wild to use this as OB. Using this candle as OB, probably, but still 30-minute wick looks not weak. Like entire candle looks wild. No rush. Let me switch on M and Q. Time to take 30k. That's pretty much exactly what I wanted to see. Let's see if my plan is going to be in play today. Yeah. So, what ideal plan I would like to get? Break above equal highs. I don't know how far we can go. It's not going to be probably reaction right from 30k. I don't know. I have no idea. But if I want to look for some sell-off today, some minor retracement to downside, it's like short week, if I can say this. So what I would like to get. NQ takes out equal highs, breaks above 30k, but at the same time, I don't want to see ES takes out all-time high. I want to get SMT, which will be important. This SMT, that's what I need to get in shorts. After this, if it's going to be sweep on 30-minute chart or hourly chart with 5-minute OB, I will give it a try. That's the only plan I have. Maybe no shorts today, who knows? Like once again, let's try to stay away from being made to bias. We trade at all-time highs. We all want to short all the time, but at the same time, if you're going to short all the time simply because we want this, probably we will blow our account. Let's stay patient and wait for a setup. That's it. Maybe it will be long, who knows? Guys, I'm a person who perfectly fine to be wrong, and as well as I'm a person who perfectly fine to flip my bias several times. What is that? Guys, it's biggest scam so far. Seeing this. What the heck? Like how is it even possible? 15 points away. It's always missing information. Pasha, what happened? I believe from each round 100 people. From first round, second round, and third round. Then it's going to be 300 people in final round. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's wild. You know what, right? Oh, God. I mean, yes, we got SMT, but it's not SMT that I was talking about. Come on, NQ, stop doing this. You know, guys, that's funny, and I want to talk about this. When this kind of situation happens, yes, we got SMT, NQ was trying to take to all-time high, and it's trying to offer strong rejection. I always like, damn. It's technically reversal from nowhere, but setup is here. Probably will take a loss if I'm going to take this trade. Looks kind of fake, but at the same time, structure seems good. Is it only me or everyone like that? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It seems like nice setup for short, but at the same time, we reverse from nowhere, and probably it will be fake. And it always happens like this. So like first move is fake, but it offers absolutely textbook setup for short. And second move is like right move, like real move. Asia sessions. Oh. Let's wait for silver bullet, guys. 7 minutes left. I didn't feel like we need to be in rush now. It feels like a scam. Do we have any news at 10? Let me check real quick. Nope. Okay, got it. Okay. All right. No, it's not London high. It's just pre-market high on NQ. London high was taken like long time ago. Yeah, Pasha, you're right. Damn, it feels so fake now. 2-minute chart. I will not be surprised to see push higher again. Did we get OT just to check? Super fake. Super ridiculous, I would say, not fake. We have medium pack news at 10? I didn't see this on Forex Factory for some reason. Yeah, guys, once again, we plan to trade, we trade the plan. Absolutely fine if it's like no trading day or no IM session trade, it's fine. It's all about like patience and waiting for the model to present itself. We don't want to chase, right? We want to wait for setup because we want to be profitable. We don't need to catch every single move every single day. We're waiting for our model to present itself. That's it, nothing else. This is how we're going to stay consistent, right? Consistent. Oops. Gold sell. That's plan on gold. Yesterday, I didn't have computer yesterday. I have no idea what happened. Last week I got only 2W, so finished my week. So last 2-3 weeks I didn't have many trades, unfortunately, but it was a good one. So I'm thinking if we're going to close above this level again, can we get some longs back to 75.50, 75.60, like some rounded numbers? Oh, see guys, that's exactly what I was talking about. We see perfect structure for sell, but reversal from nowhere, which means what? It's probably a fake one, and this happens a lot. From my bad experience, personal bad experience. We're reversing from key levels, not from nowhere. No matter how good structure and lower time frame, if it was reversal from nowhere, it will be fake. It was a 950 mark? So what I would like to get, look at this lows on gold. It doesn't look bad, as well as, let me delete this sell side from here. It's old one. I do like this lows because it's in discount. So we have small range here on for chart. So price went to premium, and what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4 times it failed to take equal highs, right? It failed to take buy side liquidity level. It failed to make new higher high, which means what? This means it will try to go to opposite liquidity level again. So opposite liquidity level is this equal lows here, right? So if it's going to offer lower low here with formation of 30-minute sweep, hourly sweep, we'll try to long this to take opposite liquidity level again. So this is how we want to trade range, right? might take a trade on MES soon. Micro ES. Looking for longs above New York midnight open. Probably will trade 5 micros. No break above New York midnight open yet. Guys, no rush right now. No rush. That's potential idea I have. Break above New York midnight open. We just swept this level. Doesn't count. We'll try to long. Nice reaction from OT. Maybe will be plan. Nice plan. Oops, oops, oops. TP Hives Day. On ES? We will see. I will trade like 1.5 hour. Look at NQ. Damn, that's good. Don't want to risk lot, so we'll trade 5 micros. No rush. We don't have break above New York midnight open yet to try this one. No, guys, I always show executions. I'm still flat. No trades. Oh, let me actually move this one like that and like that. Oh, way better. So what we're waiting for? We're waiting for the break above New York midnight open to give it a try. Yeah, I will show you guys. Don't ask. I want to trade above New York midnight open. We didn't get break yet. Let's see first break above New York midnight open. Let's see if you're going to get in fill here. Let's see. It's 10 AM open, right? Will be like 1.5 probably. Nothing yet. Nothing yet, guys. Chris, please. Stop watching me on mute, please. How much I'm going to risk? Like 270 bucks? It's actually solid. 1 second. For the first try, probably it's worth it. Like around 4 or 5 micros trade. I like it. Some expansion, I will try this one. Will partial at this high at 50 and final TP will be 60. Would like to give it a try. And just why not try here? Let's see how it goes. So guys, my risk is $270, so I don't want to risk a lot on first trade, especially like first trading day, but seems like good try. So we manage risk properly, right? I don't trade lots of accounts. Sorry, guys. My stop loss technically somewhere at this OT since we got reaction. Let me actually trail this slightly higher. Technically, we got SMT, guys, so let's see if NQ is going to offer shift in structure. So I will try to short NQ because that's my plan here. Just need to get shift in structure. That's why my first try is really small risk, tight risk. This blue line is partial level. Would like to take partials there. I execute on 2-minute chart now. Will be my partial level here. It's minor equal highs. Reducing disk to $250 now. So I will have room, a bit more room for second trade in case something bad will happen. Stop loss sitting below 62% of this OT. If you watch my video about OT, we want to short below bullish OT, right? That's why my stop loss sitting at the right place now. I actually can put at 62% also will be the right idea. But once again, risk is like nothing here. Let's see if you're going to see minor equal highs. Doesn't sound bad. Damn, it's so hot in the office. I need to put AC or something. Oh, guys, where's your reminder, Dasha? Don't move your stop loss. You forgot to do this, MXM. Dasha, don't touch your stop loss. It's loss or win, right? Yeah, no AC, just damn so hot here. No, guys, new rule. It's either stop loss or TP. TP number 1 can offer dejection. So you can trail stop loss after first TP, but don't trail now, even if, I mean, you can. I'm not going to do this. Guys, my task right now is just accept the loss. Accept you're wrong. Oh, you wrote this? Oh, I bet. Like, accept, Dasha, you can be wrong. Because I hate it. How many contracts I'm in? Accept the fact, Dasha, you can be wrong. Close your eyes and let it play. Shit happens. Sometimes your trading will be red. It's fine. Not like only thing that's not fine right now is no AC in my office because it's so hot here. I mean, I don't know, like in Q broke, not in Q, ES broke above New York midnight open. It's like kind of solo try. If I'm wrong, please, it's fine. Not trading my stop loss. I'm talking to myself now because that's my biggest issue. I'm always trail stop loss too quickly. Just no matter what will happen, guys, we will accept this. I will accept this. It's normal to be wrong. Don't trail your stop loss until it hit your at least TP number 1. Until it like still trading like slightly above your entry doesn't mean like you need to trail your stop loss. Yeah, I got this. So yeah, trying to talk to myself, it's easier to accept this. I like these projections. Look at this 2.5 lines obvious liquidity level here, like to the tick. Sorry, guys. So I don't want to think about risk reward at this trade now. I want to think about like setup. Unfortunately, risk is bigger here because like we got nice range, big down close candles here. So I cannot make my stop loss less until at least now. But from my first TP, which is sitting at 75.49.75, one tick below equal highs, I can expect rejection. So at this point, I want to trail stop loss, but only after I lock some profit. I don't want to make zero. I want to lock some profit. So 75.32.50 is 62%. We should not go back if it wants to be bullish. So my stop loss is $200 now. Really nice one. So if we're trying to reject from 2 and 2.5 standard deviation range, we didn't hit like any liquidity level. That's the issue, but it's okay. Absolutely horrible range here. Chris, I'm not addicted to trading. I'm a person who's so happy when it's Friday. Seriously. Can we pump 70 points on NQ? I don't know. I'm trading yes now. Everything can happen. We can actually drop as well. My biggest problem right now, SPX. It's good for us. SPX does not have any shift in structure to downside yet, but it left 25%. It's danger zone. Yeah, 10 points is like base hit on ES. I agree with you. But I'm up 5 points now. We'll go 1-1 if I can. I'm looking at NQ as well. NQ respecting 10 AM open now. So we will see. Let me show you something real quick. Sorry guys, switching real quick. So we're trading above 10 AM open, see, on ES. So definitely ES looks bullish at this point. But the problem is NQ. NQ looks a bit more bearish because NQ trading below 10 AM open. It's fine. We just need to lose on 10 AM open on ES as well to flip the bias. We just need to let it run, no matter what. How do I pass so many evaluations? I don't know. Sometimes when it's shit price action, but I want to execute something, I trade evaluations, and I don't even realize it when I pass them. I just get an email like you passed. But when I was passing my Apex, I had a goal to pass this for 1 day. So I passed my Apex accounts for 1 day. Can I say something? Absolutely, of course. Go for it. You saw my broken nail? Yeah, I do copy my funded visuals pretty often. This means I don't full port them. What did you ask? I didn't. Can you please ask again? I'm not going to ignore you. I just didn't see your message. Don't talk about this. What when you're like $15 away from payout? I don't trade this day anymore. I'm like, whatever. Ignoring this now. MNQ December. It's based on old contract. I hate when you really $200 away from payout and you really keep kissing daily loss limit. I don't know how it works, why it works, but that's so true. That's wild. Oh. Oh, you said hello, Jack. I'm so sorry I didn't see this. Hello, good morning. How are you? How's your exams? One Q keep pushing, but yes, doing this. Finally. Exams are done. It's summer. Oh, it's like summer break now, right? Yes. Can you take minor liquidity level? Please? We're still stuck inside 2 and 2.5. I have go on my YouTube and find the video that calls my favorite ICT strategy or my favorite ICT model. I don't remember for sure, but that's how I trade. MXM, can you please send links for PDFs? So I want to partial inside the standard deviation projection range between 2 and 2.5. I like how 2.5 lines up with liquidity level, but I'm going to take most offered minor equal highs. So not perfect risk reward, but I mean, I know, we will see. NQ just broke above 10 AM open, SPX struggling. Come on, NQ looks way better, because it's moving at least. Give me TP. please. All right. Sorry, guys. Oops. I woke up with feeling I'm going to kill this today. It's not coincidence, just hit TP number 1. It's my first trade for like, it was weekends, like, I didn't miss anything. Oh, he did. It was 1 tick away. He did. Damn, what are you doing? Oh, finally. It's so relaxing feelings when you can trail your stop loss. It's so good. It feels so damn good. Oh my god. It was a bit stressful situation. Okay, just 2 contracts left. Let me actually plot executions. Dasha, love you guys. I deserve like. I deserved W in the chat. Considering that I didn't sleep well and I was lifting like really heavy stuff. Since Thursday, I deserve W. Love you guys. Love you. So my next contract off is at 2.5 standard deviation projections. Let's move this slightly higher. Like that. Like that. Oh yeah. It feels so damn good. Nice. Okay, guys, run your left. I'm going to just let it run. I know where CP should be. Seriously, have no idea. Guys, where did you put your TP on ES? Because I put just at random level. 50% of consolidation? It's 62, lines up with... Yeah, I'm gonna leave at 60. Because I have no idea. Don't forget to click the like button, share the stream, do something. 62? Yeah, I put at 60. It's nice target then. Let's leave it. Oops, sorry guys. Let's just leave it. Just 1 micro left. Just I need to learn how to hold runners. We barely wasn't drawdown, I like it. Now just learn how to hold runners. Look at this perfect reaction from 2.5 standard deviation projections. Brilliant. So good. So good. Love you guys, love you. We did good. I woke up with feeling I'm going to kill this. I told you, like when I wake up with this kind of feelings, it's always W. Market. I trade 8 accounts now. Just copy them. Yeah, when you clean, like, no, didn't to trade more. Why I didn't trade in Q but traded ES? Because in Q it was at all-time highs. We just took all-time highs, while ES was near equilibrium discount. So it was just, in terms of risk reward and overall, like, stop loss placement, better. Those accounts I can request this week. I will just left to build more. All-time high, I'm not going to hold. I mean, who knows how deep retracement is going to be as well. So I will lock at 60 and we'll walk away. It's like almost 20 points straight. I like how in Q, like, pushing hard, but at the same time, yes, kind of like trying to slow down. Pasha, what happened? 20k? What do you mean? How this happened? Yeah, NQ looks better, but guys, I'm queen of shit price action. I saw the top on ES, but not on NQ. Small caps. Well, I started with small caps as well. Back 2000, I don't know, like 21 or so. So what I want to say. I lost as well. Guys, I have 2 monitors now. One for YouTube, like OBS, YouTube settings, and one for trading. Just one chart here and NinjaTrader, nothing else. I don't have any other monitors now. How old are you? I'm next to my 30s, guys, near my 30s. I have 2 kids, my son is going to be 7. I'm not 18 anymore. Yeah, right now just one monitor from trading, nothing else. I have just one chart open. That's for this stream, that's it. I didn't have other monitors. And NinjaTrader on the screen, that's it. Unfortunately, I don't have screen to show on my damn, it's really hard. I'm going to send you a link now. If you want to learn ICT, I'm going to send you perfect resources for this, absolutely for free. I mean, free resources. You don't need to like buy anything. Once again, I'm the person who always trying to find something like free for people. So go on this website. Unfortunately, I cannot show you this because I don't have monitor when I show like all this stuff. Water, I don't have water as well. So I created this roadmap for ICT. It's like syllabus. So it's foundation, core, advanced. Let me sit in the middle. Extra and a market maker model. So there I put like over 100 videos, not every single video from ICT channel. So this is how I learned ICT, step by step. I just trying to explain to you, but I was answering your question and you didn't listen. Here's the link. Red phone, guys. Let's try to. Oh, guys, look at this, by the way. See this? My grandma made it. Ah, it's slippery in the house. Look at this. It's super cute. See? Let me find my phone. Guys, we got it. Ooh, that's super slippery here. Oh, it's here. Hello? Check. Hello, sir. Oh my god. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. I trade with emotions. I trade with emotions on Friday. Block one man who said like, I'm super emotional. Okay, guys, just one micro left. I'm just learning how to hold trainers. Let's see. Let's see. NQ looks way better. It's annoying. Because I didn't see good setup on NQ. I saw only on ES. But we got nice and good entry. We barely was in drawdown. We were in drawdown like 1 point. Which is nothing. Look at NQ. We hit 30,080. That's wild. Hey, Nathan. Nathan, wait. Майку оденешь? Пойдешь ко мне? Sorry, guys. He was naked, my son. He was like staying here. I was like, wait, Nathan, wait. In the corner. He's sick, so he was trying to find his dad. Oh, you heard like how I speak Russian? Okay. I need to buy this like kids t-shirt. Use code Lumi. Sam. Please. Of course not. I asked if he wanted to sit with me. He said no. Do you have strong Russian accent when you speak Russian? Let me think about this. When I speak Russian, do I have strong Russian accent? When I speak Russian? I don't think so. It's funny, right? I'm not that rude, come on. He's sick. Yeah, I told you, I'm perfectly fine to flip the bias. I'm the person who like, okay, to be wrong with bias. By the end of the day, it's important if you made money or nope, right? Maxim, can you please send link for giveaway for people to join? I'm doing giveaway right now, 25k Lucid Flex. Okay, alright. Let's see if my runner will hit final TP. Yeah, guys, I'm just trying to learn how to hold runners and usually just leave like 1 micron this trade. This kind of trades. Just let's see if it's going to hit. And guys, like magic is here, these magnets. You need to have pink, blue, black magnets and it will hit your TP. And you need to wake up with feelings you're going to kill this today. You're going to win today. When you wake up without this feeling, don't take any trades. From my personal experience. Code Lumi, like as many as you want. I will appreciate the support. I noticed like most of our trades last week was taken on yes. Longs. Oops. It's okay. He's sick, so I don't want to like force him to do something. So absolutely nice reaction from 2 and 2.5. If you watch my video about OT, about OT projections, we know that from the range between 2 and 2.5, price made a trace to the range between 1 and 1.5. Inside this range, we want to find fair value gap. For if market wants to stay bullish on ES, we can retrace back to this fair value gap over here. And if market wants to stay bullish, price should fly to 4 standard deviation. Or we're going to just ignore 2 and 2.5 standard deviation projections and it will fly. But in order to stay bullish, we must stay above this fair value gap. Yeah, Max, that's probably the right idea. Going to Russia. Going to fly to Russia. Yes. Let's see if you're going to hit 60s. Yeah. My full name is Daria. It's not Lumi, by the way. It's not my real name. Daria. But I hate how it sounds. It sounds like quite rude in my opinion. So we have short version of our full names. I'm not sure if it's popular like in any other countries. For example, my short version of my name is Dasha, and I prefer Dasha. Call me Dasha if you guys would like. Lumi is my trading name. I don't use this in my real life. It's just like trading name. Pet name. Yes, Daria. It actually spells like that in my passport. Dasha sounds like so good. Like so good. I'm trading for 4 years, guys. No, it's like that. Better than Dasha? Ah, no. Yeah, it's like depends. In Belarus, like they put your full name in using Belarusian language. So in Belarusian, it's like that. But yeah, in Russia, Ukraine, I guess it's like this. Yeah. Mm-hmm. In Poland too? Yeah, probably, yeah. Oh god, it's so hot in the office. I can't. My AC right now is sitting in the garage. I don't have access to garage. Oh, really? Okay. I was thinking it's different, like different name. But short version is the same. No, guys, I like Dasha. Call me Dasha. I liked it more, please. Dasha is better. I agree with you. So we sit in this trade for 40 minutes? What time we entered? 10:01. We entered 10:01. Okay. 40 minutes. Wow, then you looks millions times better. Once again, the only issue I never saw set up there. Did you see this update on NinjaTrader? I do like this. Lines. Looks good. Can we please push to 60s? Please. Is PX just running away from this gap? Maybe PM will drop. That is a gift. Okay. Oh, I have to sit in this trade no matter what. Yeah, I test my patience because I cannot hold trainers. It's really hard for me, like mentally. It's not my president, by the way. I wasn't born in Russia. I visited Russia several times, but I was born in Belarus. Yeah, when it's low, I hate it. So I have to distract myself somehow. Where is the next stop? 1 second. I have projections on in queue. Ooh, no, next projections 800 points higher, whatever. Forget about this. Super slow. Who is Dasha? It's me, it's my real name. No, Maxim was trying to ask me many times. I said no, I have no idea how to pronounce this. Would be free. He keep asking me, I know, like since like beginning of last year. YM. Once again, I'm not fan of YM because it moves completely opposite direction. Technically, it either ES and Q will drop hard during PM session to support YM, or YM will reverse soon, before lunch. We'll see. Yeah, of course. So my projections from this swing high, which was formed at 9:32, and also went down to current low of the day. And here are the settings. Oh, you cannot see them. 1 second. Oh. No, I have my husband's last name, and before this I had different last name. So funny to say, it's funny story because normally kid takes father's last name, but my last name is my mother's last name. My dad had different last name, so we didn't take this one. So all my life I use my mother's last name. No, I cannot say this. Stop asking me. Yes, I have US passport and Belarusian passport. Motivation for true. Okay, that's an interesting question. I don't know. Because I don't follow, guys. I don't follow other traders. I don't care like about this. I never watch someone's streams. So yeah. That's probably only me. Me fighting with myself, and that's it. No motivation, like motivator or something like this. Background change, yep. Yep. I'm going to practice some Maxim all day to say this maybe next week. What's up with nothing? I cannot pronounce this. Accept this. That's it. I guess it's better to see this projection 1 minute chart. So how we want to put projections? You can watch my video about standard deviation projections or get PDF that's available on my Twitter. I reposted this post, just last post on my Twitter page. So you want to pull projections, the very last move down or up before a reversal, from swing high to swing low, from swing low, my bad, to swing high. So swing high was formed here, right? Swing low, it was the very last move down before reversal, and you want to project. That's it. Makes sense? I don't know why yes barely moving. Seriously, I have no idea. Just super slow. Nah, annoying. Guys, I don't have monetization on YouTube. I turned this off. I make $0, 0 cents from YouTube. If you don't trust me, I can show you. It's just off. I never use monetization on YouTube. It's because no one wants to watch advertisement. I don't make any money from YouTube. I know how much I can make actually. How to take screenshot? I don't know. I will show you, like nothing to hide. I always like transparent about everything. See? It's off everywhere. I don't use monetization on YouTube. It's off always and everywhere. See? Just cannot fit like entire screenshot. He keep asking whatever. Affiliate, guys, I don't know how to make a lot, seriously. Trying my best, but I want to make millions. I don't know how. That's why I have to trade. It was so funny. I want to bring value, guys. That's it. And I want to trade. That's it. No. What? No, I'm Belarusian. Yes, I'm trying to take 1.5 hour partials, yes. I answered your question many times. Yes, please. I will appreciate this. This kind of value I will try to bring next week, okay? Also, I trade like, I would say 99% of my trades taken on stream. I always show account number, I always show accounts I trade, I never hide this. Because I don't see reason to hide. And I always say like how many accounts I blew. So far 10 accounts this year. on silver. To Maryland, maybe one day. Maybe one day. Guys, just on micro left, I'm just trying to hold runner. It was 5 points away. Oh god. Still, I cannot see, like, let's talk about SPX for a little bit. So SPX can drop and probably will drop to the PM session. Probably. I don't know, but probably. Will drop to 25% of RTH gap. Makes lots of sense to go there. But for this, first we must get shift in structure on 2-minute chart on SPX. Why 2-minute chart? Because it like just works so good there. I don't know why. So probably if it's going to offer on SPX once again, strong break, damn. Strong break from here on 2-minute chart with displacement. So it will be short. I think so. It will be short. So we can try to short this one. So far, like, yeah, it's just super choppy and Q trying to drop as well. Now we're above, well, we're slightly above 2 and 2.5. It's not important. We barely broke above this level. Can we retrace like above 2.5 standard deviation projections? Absolutely yes, of course we can. So once again, but, 1 second. But, if market wants to stay bullish, so slippery. If market wants to stay bullish, we'll drop to this 2-minute fair value gap over here. We'll retrace to this level. And will offer a reaction with immediate delivery to 4 standard deviation. Normally just straight up or straight, depends on the direction. At this point, straight up move. So what we want to see? If we want to just offer, if it wants to offer manipulation, not manipulation, actually retracement to downside, we will retrace back to this fair value gap on 2-minute chart. And we will get this reversal candle. I will explain later what is reversal candle, just really hard to explain now. To find the right words to explain. We will get down close candle and next up close candle. We will get closure with green candle and next candle will be long position with stop loss below fair value gap, final TP 4 standard deviation. That's like an idea. But if it wants to like reverse, we will invert this fair value gap because that's last area of support. Or we will just go up to 4 now, invalidating this 2 and 2.5. Also possible. Amelia, are you long or short? I kind of wouldn't mind to see this liquidity taken first. From TradeView, yes. 1 second, I will send you now. How to do group trading and TradeView, right? That's what you need. I'm going to show you now. 1 second. Link is here. It's about NinjaTrader, but last part in this video about group trading and TradeView. Link here. Giveaway time in 10 minutes, guys. Amelia, golden side consolidation, but technically, if you just go on for a chart, you will see we went from premium to discount. In discount, lower quadrant of this consolidation is equal lows. So technically, we can sweep this equal lows and reverse, for example. Yeah, this year I blew 10 accounts, 5 funded, 5 evaluations. I talked about this several times already. Last year, it was August 2025, I blew all my accounts, more than 30 accounts. Since then, I didn't blew like 30 accounts, I blew only 10 accounts, 5 evals, 5 funded, and that's it. August 2025 was super hard for me. Yes, you can. Good job. Yeah, perfect job. I did well. Yes, thank you, yes. Let me see, just to make sure. I believe we broke above 2.5. I'm going to put projections real quick. Oh, no. No. Look at NQ. Sorry. And Q projection here. So next step is 30,154. It's 2 standard deviation projections. So technically, no, we didn't hit 4. We didn't even hit 2 standard deviation yet. Oh yeah, of course. You can put projection from time distortion as well. Right now, time distortion. So technically for this time distortion, what we want to see? We want to see break below distortion low, retracement to this parabolic gap on 2-minute chart on yes, right? Over here. And if it's going to, for example, like 2-minute inversion, like reversal candle I was talking about before. Yes, long. You can put projections from that manipulation inside distortion. Trade copy and trade sinker. They are both cloud-based. Not everyone love it, but probably trade sinker. I have a bit more experience with trade sinker, to be honest. On Lucid Flex, well, listen. The main difference between Lucid Flex and Lucid Pro. On Lucid Flex, you have consistency on valuation. While on Lucid Pro, you don't have consistency on valuation, which means on funded on Lucid Flex, you're not going to have consistency rule, while on Pro, you're going to have consistency. So my answer for your question will be on Lucid Flex evaluation, you have consistency, 40%, I don't remember, or 50%, don't remember. But you're not going to have consistency on funded. Trade copies platform? Seriously? Oh, well, at this point it's better. I was thinking it's cloud-based. I didn't know about this. My bad. I mean, I don't really need this. But yeah, interesting. After this trade, we'll do giveaway. Let me load this giveaway. I have no idea how to show you actually, because I don't have monitor to show you. But I probably will do this over here. Need to bring my AC. Super hot. Super hot. Come on, Dasha. How to... Okay, like this. Oh, it's almost perfect. Ah, not this one. Yeah, perfect, amazing. Let me send the link for you again. Guys, you have, I would say 5 more minutes to enter giveaway. Here is the link. Do this as soon as possible while you have time for this. I do like Replikanto. I traded Replikanto for almost 3 years. I bought this 3 years ago and I still trade with this. Okay, my bad. I'm so sorry about this. Is it like monthly payment in a trade copy? I don't remember. Trade copy or trade copy? Trade copy. I have no idea. It's like monthly? Or like you can buy like lifetime subscription? Have you tried copy link? Never ever in my life. I have no idea what is that. Did you tell them? What did he write? Well, because I got lifetime subscription, it was like $150, like long time ago. Let's check SPX. SPX trying. Guys, first sign of potential drop on SPX. You just need to displacement below 2-minute level here. Oh yeah. So guys, I moved to a new place. I'm right now in Boca Raton. It's like South Florida. Before this, I lived next to Orlando, so it's like 2 hours away. And we started packing everything last Thursday. And we rented truck. It was 20-feet truck. Nothing fits there. So we have to drive here to unload this. We have to rent another truck, same 20 feet in our place. Nothing fits there, like nothing fits there, nothing. So we have to drive again here, unload this. Then we rented like 15-feet truck to put other stuff like 3 times. Because we have lots of garbage. Like why? How? It's a different story. And right now I just have depression because I cannot go to garage because it's like lots of garbage there, like our stuff there. I cannot go to the kitchen, to living room, to master bedroom, to kids room, like anywhere. It's even here. It's just mess next to me. And since we rent townhouse, so like all heavy stuff, you have to go on second floor with these heavy boxes every single day. Many times a day. And since Thursday and until today, I was doing this every single day without break. I don't know, guys. I threw away more than 30 bags of garbage, like huge bags of garbage. And still lots of garbage. I'm just trying to, probably will donate lots of like shelves from my office, from kids' room as well, because we have no place to put this. Yeah, that's why I'm super tired. I'm exhausted, I would say. You too far. Guys, if you want to help, come, I'm in Boca, come. How much time? 2.5 years. Every single day I was doing 30,000 steps. By the way, guys, quick reminder, since we're sitting in the street and waiting for giveaway, Take Profit Trader sale 50% off ends tonight. So why I highly recommend, don't ask, Maxim. Why I recommend to try Take Profit Trader? Because the daily payouts, so once you pass your evaluation and build the buffer, you can take everything above the buffer. It can be $200, it can be $300 because we have no cap. So which is so cool. So if you want to try Take Profit Trader 50% off, you can use code limit to support the channel so I can make my million. So trying to look at SPX, trying to displace, like it. Don't want to take any trades anymore. Da-dum-dum. Tradify, it's different. Tradify Select Daily does not have intraday trading drawdown unfunded, while the TPT has it. So, different. Until 1 million. 1 million. 1 million left until 1 million. You live in Boca? Where do you want to meet? Well, guys, out here, let's, what is that? Let's do giveaway, and I can go. Are you ready for giveaway? Of course you're ready, why I'm asking. I'm going to disconnect my accounts now. Disconnect. W, guys, we got nice trade, just running stop at break even. Unfortunately. Our first winner is Are you in the chat? Yes, you're here. Perfect. Let's pick another one. SPX looks promising. Don't want to take any trades today anymore, but Second winner, are you in the chat? Guys, if you're not going to disappoint, I'm going to pick another winner. We'll send you accounts right after stream. And I will take a break. Unpacking more boxes. Interesting. Yes, the trace to New York with night open. Okay. Looks like a bot. We will see. You have 20 seconds to claim your prize. How to pronounce this? Let's do one more time. Super small range. No? He's not here? Okay, let's pick another one. Let's pick another one. Picking another one. Second winner is you. Are you here? BVK Trades. BVK Trades. BVK. Okay. Don't cry, guys. He didn't say anything yet. SPX looks promising. So promising. And nothing. And nothing. And nothing. Oh, I see you. You won. Congratulations. Well, we killed this today. Let me sit like straight. We killed this today, guys. As always, we are the best. We were patient enough. We planned the trade. We trade the plan. Once again, quick reminder, TPT sale ends tonight, 50% off. Use code LUMI to support the channel. Don't make stupid mistakes. Once again, plan the trade, trade the plan. I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Maybe earlier. Maybe we'll see. I do like SPX below my support level to hit 25%. So, but potential short below New York midnight open, yes. Just consider potential trade, but look for setup first. I will see you tomorrow. Once again, you're the best. I'm going to send you accounts like right after stream. No PM. I need to unpack everything, guys. I just need to finish this. You're the best, guys. Love you so much. Don't forget about NinjaTrader Arena competition. Link in the description below. I believe like 300 seats left. Let me check. Guys, yeah, 300 seats left on NinjaTrader Arena competition. Link in the description below if you want to participate and get a chance to win 100k real cash. Sign up for NinjaTrader Arena competition here. Link in the description and in the chat. How you get account? You will get email in 5 minutes from me. Yeah, 30 guys, 30k steps. That's wild. But my recovery like 90%. Maxim, hear this? 90%. I'm burning like 1600 calories a day. Where is focus? 1600 calories a day. I don't eat like even like 1000. Well, guys, love you so much. I like SPX lower soon. Short below New York midnight open. Yes, probably. We'll see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. We will kill this tomorrow again. You send me link in Discord, I will check. I will check everything. Where did you send me? Love you guys. If you have any questions, Twitter, Instagram, Discord, everything free, ask. Love you. See you tomorrow.